Introducing the next evolution in retail design. Alamine's modular pop-up unit now features a smart interlocking system, making setup and dismantling quick, easy, and completely hassle-free. Just 2 to 3 days, and you're ready to go. Built with speed, strength, and flexibility in mind, this unit is fully customizable to suit any retail layout. Discover the future of modular retail. At Alamine, we're always pushing forward, developing smarter, faster solutions for today's dynamic retail world. Introducing the next evolution in retail design. Discover the future of modular retail. Engineered to impress, built to perform.